Good morning, everyone. Let's go for a hike. Anytime I see signs like that, they're putting them there for a reason. So what I've done is I put my laptop underneath the bed in the back. Then I backed up the van close to some bushes. It's kind of hard to get in there. Inside the double doors in the back, I have a latch and then I have a lock. So I locked that up. Now it's becoming some sort of a vault. Of course, if they really want to get in there, they can. And I also locked the front doors with the seat belts. The only door that's not double locked, let's say, is the side door. I obviously locked the whole vehicle up. Now, let's go for a safe hike. There are bunnies everywhere this morning. It's munching time, I'm guessing. I'm hoping to see other things as well. So let's see what we find. I'm keeping an eye out. Oh, that's gonna be a steep incline. I definitely got that blood pumping, so I know you can't tell on camera. So I took the hardest part first, so I get it out of the way, but whew, I'm almost done. I don't even know if this is half a mile, and it's very steep going up. Whew. Luckily, it's not hot yet. It's only almost 9 in the morning, actually. Whew. Let's go. Someone on a bike came up the same way I came up, but I just realized it was an electric bike. Second person. Every time I turn a corner, I'm like, okay, I think I'm almost at the top. But then it keeps on going. After that corner, it doesn't seem like it's going higher, but I've been fooled 3 times already. The views up here are great. Made it to the top. Gotta grab some water. Whew. You know, I have taken this trail before in the past, like a few years ago, and it didn't seem that crazy, but I think it was also a little bit colder outside. I'm hoping it's not going to be as crazy because on the map it shows that it's a blue line. I feel like up until this point it was cardio and exercise, and now it's going to be exploration and fun. At least that's what I'm telling myself, so we'll find out. You know, a lot of people on this trail are rocking electric bikes. I wouldn't mind an electric bike. Any sponsors out there? Parkour! Did you guys see that spider web back there? That's awesome. I hope nobody takes it down because it's right on the trail. Super cool to see. And now I remember why this trail is worth it. This second half is pretty awesome. It looks like a bird had a hard time here. There she is. Everything's in order here at the van. After this hike though, I need to go find a Planet Fitness for a shower, so let's go. I usually work out when I come to the gym because that's what promise I made to myself. But because I took that big hike in the morning, I'm just gonna go take a shower. However, I don't want like to go in there in my hiking clothes, so I'm still gonna put on working out clothes. Maybe I get motivated and run a bit, but I doubt it. All right, I'll see you when I get back. Right, massage is done. I meant shower. We made it to a campground. Let's see what they have available. The idea here is to be shaded. All right, we got a campground. Alright, we found camping for tonight. The good spots are taken. This is the best that I could find. I wish I had the van also sitting in the shade. They have this whole picnic table shaded very well because there's trees all around. So most of the spigots here don't have water, but mine does, and it's right next to me. And I'm also pretty close to the toilet. Far enough so I don't smell anything, or like I don't get bothered if people go there, but close enough where I can just use it all the time. Pretty cool. I should get some lunch started because, well, I'm pretty hungry after that hike and it's getting late in the day. It's like 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna be making something super simple, nothing too crazy, but I need to eat something because I'm starving. I think you have a pretty good idea on what's coming. I haven't made one of these in a while and I'm pretty stoked on it. So let's get cooking. Alright, I attracted a bunch of bees, which is never a good thing when you're eating because they get aggressive. Hopefully I don't get stung. To be honest, I attracted a bunch of everything. Lunch is served. Ah, look at that. Easy, simple meal that smells and tastes phenomenal. This is one of those recipes that I don't make enough, and it's also one of those recipes that I could happily eat every day. It's not the healthiest thing in the world, but it's really delicious. I added some smoky spicy sauce in the soup. I think my wind guard is about to fly off, which a wind guard is supposed to guard some stuff, but it flies off itself. Flew off a few times. I have to put it back on. Another reason why I like to cook with electric, it's not affected by the wind. I can hear the bees coming around. I better be quick. Man, that was some spicy. I put too much spicy sauce in the tomato soup, so hot ones. My lips are burning. Woo. It was a short one today. That hike really wiped me out today. I don't feel like doing anything except relaxing. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends and family. Consider subscribing to the channel. It's free and it'll just let you know when I post new videos. Thank you for coming along on today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.